So you just received your Nixplay Seed and are now looking for a quick and easy tutorial to set it up? You have come to the right place. In this video, I will explain how to set up your Nixplay Seed using your computer. If you want to use your mobile phone instead, check the video notes. I have a tutorial on this as well. Take out these components from the package. The picture frame, the black cable, the USB power supply with the right plug for your country, and the remote control. Connect your picture frame to the power supply. It'll turn on and show this image. Click the middle button of your remote control and your frame will start looking for available Wi-Fi networks. Pick yours using the arrow keys on the remote and confirm with the middle button. In these days we are used to everything being a touchscreen, but your Nixplay Seed frame is not a touchscreen. Everything is done via remote control. Enter your password with the arrow keys and once you're done with it, hit connect. The frame will now connect to your local Wi-Fi and start a series of software updates, including one or more reboots. Just let it run its course. You may even be asked to choose your local Wi-Fi again, but the password will still be stored. A short promotional video will then greet you, and finally you will see the most important screen, the one with a QR code and a serial number formatted across 4 tabs. Either take a photo of this screen or write it down. For the pairing of the frame with the computer, you need the serial number. Now go to nixplay.com and create an account. I already created one, so I'm going to log in straight away. This is the dashboard of your frame. You can see in the right area how many photos you have uploaded, playlists you have, and how many frames you have connected. Now the first thing we're going to do is to go to Frames and pair your frame. Just enter the code in the 4 tabs that you have seen on your picture frame. The frame is now connecting and you will also see it on the frame itself. Last, give your frame a name and location if you like, and check the time zone settings. You can also activate the motion sensor and the sleep schedule now, but I'm going to show you this in the overall settings window. The frame is now paired and online. The Nixplay Seed frame does not store any images locally on an SD card, but downloads all images from the cloud. So let's click on the frame and upload some photos to our Nixplay account. You can see an empty playlist that has been created by default. We are going to add photos and choose Add Photos from my computer. I prepared some test images which I am going to upload. While you're uploading, the frame will already start showing the first images on the picture frame. In the playlist, you can manually sort your images by dragging the photos to their location. If you use random playback, the sorting order won't matter to you. Here you can also delete pictures. And now you have your first playlist. Click on your frame and look at the settings. I'm going to walk you through the main settings. In the left half, you have all the frame settings. On the right, the playlist and playback settings. In playback mode, you can choose to play all photos or just the latest ones. Here you can define a time for the frame to wake up and go to sleep. If you want to use the motion sensor, you can set the time the frame should stay on after detecting movement. You can specify what to do when the frame wakes up and activate the clock when the screen is turned off. On the right, you have the playlist settings. Shuffle mode is activating the random mode. That's what I always use. You can show the clock on the frame in the lower right corner, and you can show captions that you have added to the images. Then you have a whole lot of transition types that you can choose from. You may want to set it to random to get started, and then later be more specific. You can set the change frequency between 5 seconds and 1 hour and display the connectivity status. Don't forget to save the settings before leaving. Here you can allow friends to send you images via email and specify if they are added to your playlist right away, or if you want to review and add them manually later. And that's all there is. If you want more information on digital picture frames, tricks and tips and tutorials, have a look at my website, thedigitalpictureframe.com. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Nixplay Seed frame.